Hi, I'm Dr. James Repko from Bayshore Podiatry Center in Tampa, Florida. If you've had chronic or stubborn joint pain, tendon pain, maybe plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendon pain, or even great toe joint pain, you've probably heard about or given consideration to something called PRP or platelet-rich plasma. Platelet-rich plasma is where we take your blood and we spin it down and inject recombinant growth factors and platelets into the area where it's going to be maximally efficient to kind of optimize your potential for healing from arthritis or a tendinopathy or even a tendon tear. At Bayshore Podiatry, we're happy to be offering what I consider to be one of the best systems and not cut corners with our PRP system. We use the Arthrex Angel system because I believe it is the best and most supported in literature. So we can concentrate the platelets and what type of platelet-rich plasma we're using by utilizing this system. And the results are really good. So if you're considering doing PRP, I think it's important to consider what kit you're getting. We try to offer it at a very reasonable price, very standard price. And in addition to that, we do something as a giveaway with our PRP. We try to supercharge that injection. And based on the area where we're injecting, we'll either give you a free session of MLS laser therapy or shockwave therapy to kind of supercharge the site and prepare it for healing while that injection is working. So you get the best of both worlds from an inside and out perspective, optimizing the environment for healing and supercharging that PRP. So if you're considering PRP in the Tampa area, give us a call at Bayshore Podiatry Center. We'd be happy to give you an evaluation and tell you if or if not, you're a good candidate for PRP.